Before the video commences, please subscribe our channel Risha Beauty and Health Tips and press the bell icon to get the more informative videos in future. Thanks. Assalamualaikum friends, today I will let you know about the low blood pressure, the causes and remedies. Since time immemorial, various herbal natural remedies have been in practice in curing common health ailments such as low blood pressure. Low blood pressure is fall in blood pressure below normal, especially in the arteries of systemic circulation. The main cause can be anemia, pregnancy, dehydration, malnutrition, emotional instability, and stressful lifestyle. The major symptoms of hypotension are lethargy, weakness, fatigue, and dizziness. In its severe form, hypotension may also cause neurological and endocrine disorder. In today's post, let's learn about the beneficial herbal home remedies to treat low blood pressure without any side effect on the body system. The first one is the sugar cane. Drinking a glass of sugar cane juice with half teaspoon lemon juice and salt is quite useful in treating low blood pressure. The second one is wheatgrass. Having a glass of fresh wheatgrass juice daily is wonderful in boosting up energy level of patients suffering from the ailment. Beetroot. The number 3 is the beetroot. Having a glass of beetroot juice twice daily is said to be one of the best remedies for treating low blood pressure. The fourth one is aloe vera. Boil about 25 grams of aloe vera pulp in a glass of milk till it thickens. Add sugar to taste and 2 teaspoons of mixture twice daily. Consuming aloe vera gel with a pinch of turmeric is also effective in controlling low blood pressure. The other one is date in honey. Boil dates in milk and add honey or sugar to taste. Take it twice daily.